Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, or good day. This is a quick little video around Earth Day weekend. A lot of time spent outside, not a lot of talking. I was having trouble finishing with editing this one just because I wasn't really sure what to say. And I think now, after deliberating, I realized I have nothing to say. So let's just exist together, enjoy some nature, and yeah. It's been gloomy for weeks and weeks now. This was towards the beginning of this endless gloom, and we were trying to make the most of it by still getting out, doing our favorite things like going to the zoo. Y'all, I've waited months for them to have the ring-tailed cat out.
Look, he had a little egg.
And he's sleeping with his egg. Mel has been the one to point this out, but it's been really sweet going to the zoo and seeing fathers there with their children, reading the signs for what the animals are about. I feel like a lot of misinformation is spread at the zoo, so it's nice to see that there's attention put into the facts and notes about conservation, and it's really cute to see, especially around the clouded leopards. We're at the zoo. As you can tell, because I don't have a gibbon in my backyard. But we just stopped. We're not next to the bird, so that's what it looked like. But she's the most curious bird, and I swear we're best friends. I swear if you asked her.
Every time we come to the zoo, she runs right over.
I love her. What I like about this zoo is that we have so many tamarins. Small aside though, I wanted to say that I wish the tamarins exhibits were larger. I don't like how it's just cages, but they're just such fun little guys.
Energy drinks.
We always forget to come around and see this guy. He's kind of tucked away by the kids section, and look how adorable. There's a few of them. They kept running in and out of the night house expectantly. I wonder if it was lunchtime
Is that
soon.
one a baby? That one looks so tiny. Look, that one is definitely a baby.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even see it.
Aww. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's all of them.
Oh, the babies. All together. What will happen? Those fat greedy squirrels. She's dope. Oh. Oh. Look, he's literally like, get away from my woman. And the woman's like uninterested. Oh. She's trying to get away.
Oh my gosh, they are fighting over her.
And she doesn't want no part of it.
That's so cool. Oh!
Oh.
Is he the champion right now?
I wonder. Oh.
That's so cool. Oh, and look.
He's like, oh, they distracted me.
Oh, and he dove over there. He's like, hold on! Look at this beautiful swan. Mel made cookies. We're about to go on a walk. The sun came up. It was nice to get to have some rain. I really like sitting out in the Florida room, which is where I'm at right now, and watching. Although it really hasn't been that stormy, it's just always felt like there's an anticipation of it. I'm assuming it rains during the, twilight hours, but alas. The only day of the week it was sunny was Earth Day, and I think that that's really sweet. We spent it at a park that's filled with birds. Filled. I've never seen this many kinds of ducks or geese, or I'm not even sure. This one was beautiful. And we just had a nice walk, and Mel and I played some ball. Look at these ones. Aren't they spectacular? Anyways, I'm just really happy to be on the earth for Earth Day and to get to witness it now. I do worry with a lot of people about the future of it and what will happen and whatnot, but it's just really nice to be able to take this all in right now, breathe in this air, and look at this vegetation, and just hope for the best. Look how many turtles there were out. Everyone's taken in the sun. I'll admit I've been feeling pretty bleak recently. I'm sure it's evident in my tone and chatability. I'm not really having much or as much to talk about. But it's nice to come out on days like that and try to take in the simplicity of it. Like there was a pink dragonfly, and that's spectacular. And let myself be swallowed by something much more important, which is just everything. I don't know though. It does get hard, but it's easy to find beauty. I've never seen a blooming cactus, so that was incredible. A blooming cactus like that. And here's sweet sleeping Poochie, which also just makes the day so much better that these things can exist simultaneously. And whenever I am doing not as good, I try to put that attention into a positive thing towards my pets who love me so unconditionally. And even on my worst of worst days, they're still there to be present. And that's all you can ask for, really. Hello, I don't know which vlog this is going into because I honestly haven't really been vlogging the past few days. But we're about to go get coffee from this spot down the road. I've been working on a script for a video and playing Minecraft and cleaning. I just made lunch. I wish I'd showed any of it. Here's the plantains cooking. And I made enough to have, so meal prepping, I love it. Boom. It's just so satisfying and validating. Not in the gym bro way, but in the neurodivergent way. Hi, kitty girl.
Oh my god, I'm just like my mother.
What up? Just from the northwest side.
You're not from the northwest side. Oh, I guess we. This field is so pretty.
We should do that with a person.
Oh.
Whoa!
Underneath it was literally a giant wolf spider like this big. Like humongous.
Whoa, that was beautiful. Oh my
Okay,
god,
right.
I can't even hold my balance. The anticipation.
Oh my god! That's awesome!
I'm so scared of the spiders.
I don't think so. Wait, no.
What's going on?
That cloud up above is moving very slowly. We have to move that thing. Well, I can feel the heat of the sun.
I can too.
Yeah,
It is. There's multi levels. I know. I gotta take it all in. Oh my gosh. It's yeah. Wow, I should not look directly at the sun. I can't understand sunglasses. I'm like, these are the cure-all.
It sucks. It really fucking sucks.
It's cold.
Yes, it's colder. The sun!
The sun!
Oh, it actually feels really good.
Oh yes! I gotta get in.
It's 4:17.
I'm out here forging my own path. That was a little sketchy.
This is a dream slope.
I saw that shit once and I was an absolute maybe not.
They had the gate closed when we got here, so we just did the longest walk of all time. As you can hear, the gate is no longer closed.
That's a really pretty butterfly.
This is just me showing how irritated my eyes were because, oh my god. Oh my god. They hurt for days. But you still serve. You still gotta. I'm cleaning right now and also I really need a shower. Take that in. But my brother gave us some of his clothes when he moved out. And this, hold on. This looks like Victoria Legrand's thing she wears. I'll put it here. That's all. We get so many little finches here. Oh, trying to eat wood. Anyways, I'm gonna be building a nest. That makes more sense.